How to check and delete Google Play Store purchase history. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to check and delete Google Play Store purchase history. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. So the first thing to do is to open your Google Play Store on your mobile phone, and once you've ensured that it's been opened on your mobile phone, just like I have here, at the upper part of your screen you see the search box, and close to the search box you see the notification icon and the profile icon. On the screen also you see different apps that are available on Google Play Store for download and installation. So at the top right corner of your screen you see the profile icon. You click on the profile icon just like I've done here, and you wait for a drop down to be displayed on your screen. And once it drop down has been displayed on your screen, you see your name, your email address, you see option to manage apps and devices, options of offer and notification, payment and subscription, play, protect, library settings, help and feedback on this drop down. So to check and delete Google Play Store purchase history on your mobile phone, all you need to do is to click on payment and subscription, which is just the third option on the drop down. Once you've clicked on it, a page will be displayed on your screen where you see 4 options, which are payment method, subscriptions, budget and history, then redeem code. So you click on budget and history, which is the third option on this list. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be asked if you want to see your budget. So if you have a budget already, you click on see budget. Remember, on this page you'll be asked if you want to see your budget and keep track of purchases. So you can set your budget just like we have the option here, set budget. Here I don't have a budget, but for you should have a budget. So you click on it and you'll be shown your budget, and just on that same screen you'll be shown how you can also delete the purchase history from Google Play Store. So it's that simple. You can try it out too. Thank you. I hope you find this video very insightful. Thank you.